a time, in a small sunny village, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily had a big heart and loved all kinds of animals. Spent her days playing outside, imagined wonderful adventures with her furry and feathered friends. One bright afternoon, while Lily was running around in her backyard, she heard a faint dripping sound coming from a bush. Curious, she crouched down and carefully peeked inside. To her surprise, she found a teeny baby bird lying on the ground. It looked very small and helpless, with its feathers all ruffled. Lily felt a surge of concern. She knew the baby bird needed help. Gently, she picked up the little bird and cradled it in her hands. Baby bird tripped softly, and Lily could tell it was hungry and scared. She decided to bring it inside to keep it safe and warm. Once inside, Lily found a small empty box and lined it with soft cloths to make a cozy bed for the bird. She carefully placed the baby bird inside the box and gave it some water in a tiny dish. Next, she crumbled up a small piece of bread and placed it near the bird, hoping it would eat. Lily's mom noticed what Lily was doing and came over to help. Together, they looked outside to see where the baby bird's nest might be. Lily's mom suggested they use a ladder to the tree where they thought the nest might be. The ladder in place, they climbed up and found the nest high up in the tree. It was a small round nest made with twigs, and it was filled with concerned other baby birds just like the one Lily had found. Lily felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. With her mom's steady hand, she carefully took the baby bird from the box and climbed the ladder to place it back into the nest. The other baby birds seemed to recognize their sibling and chirped happily when they saw it. Lily watched with a smile as the mother bird flew back to her nest, and the little family began to chirp and cuddle together. Lily and her mother climbed down from the ladder, feeling very proud of their good deed. They decided to keep an eye on the tree over the next few days to see how the baby birds were doing. Every time Lily saw the birds, she felt happy knowing she had helped them. As the days turned into weeks, Lily watched the baby bird grow stronger, and the feather become brighter. Learned a lot about caring for animal and felt happy knowing she made a difference. From then on, Lily often visited the tree, smiling every time she saw the now fluffy baby birds. She knew that even small acts of kindness could make a big difference. And she was proud to be a friend to the animals she loved so much. Thank you.